All right, all right. See the video. See the video. See the video. See the video. This is the video. We're heading on to Olympic way. Please remember, it's right where the bank there. Go right down to the bridge. That's where the constituency starts. So we're right at 3 mile of the stoplight right now for turn at the Scotia Bank. So people, if you just come on, we are driving through the Holness Constituency main road. All right? We not start yet. Me not cut out nothing. Me not cut out no voice. We not start yet. Big up Munchibi, big up Petal, big up Lashika, big up Philippian, Chopper, Chucks, all YouTubers. We not reach this yet. We are go by the law and we are go by the boundary of the road. We not reach this yet. When we go over the bridge, at Dupan Primary School. So anybody who live around us, so I'm wrong, you can tell me. We're there on an Olympic way. See the bridge with the 2 yellow something? Yes, the bridge. So you can go and check from now. You can go and grade from now, because we not fix up nothing, and we not hide up nothing, because we know say every constituency of pothole and need repair, both PNP, both GLP. So today, this is Olympic way. So for the people them who are asking the video, you can go back for the Mark Golding video and watch the video, and you can see the difference, if there is any. Remember now, at 2 Street, I just go up Collie Smith and then I come back down. Right? So I go down on Olympic way and I come back up. The difference with the Olympic way and Collie Smith is when you're going up Collie Smith to come back down, it's 2 different roads. When you go to Olympic way to come back up, it's the same one road. So when we go at the end of the road and turn and come back down, it's the same road. So I'm going to have a drink and you can tell me what's going down. Right? We're still up on Olympic way. We're still on Olympic way. And remember the video we do? We never did a sign up at all in the inner Holness constituency, because every constituency want fix. These people don't hold nobody accountable. You understand me? And remember, all of them road you go fix. Spark, Reach, all of them are going to fix. But Labour right to go fix them. Remember, Angella Burke is the government, different from the Jamaica Labour Party, So he has responsibility to fix everybody road. But the MP them, we're in the constituency, you're supposed to fix your road in the constituency and help get improvement from Angella Burke agencies or whatever. Only now fix it 40 years. If you check the garrison them, PNP have about 13 garrison to GLP 8 or 7. I mean, I ask Christ, PNP garrison them more destructive more than Labour right. Labour right always hold them leader accountable. Tower Hill we go, we not turn off for the main, And guess what? We're not afraid. We're going to turn off for the main, but we're going to do the main first. I have a surprise for you guys. So just go and chill out. We're still up on Olympic way. We put up a video with Mark Golding constituency. Now we have put up a video with Holness constituency, the main road. Me not turn off in anybody lane. Me not turn off in anybody corner. Me not see nobody where hang up no clothes. Me not see nobody where roll up no weed. Me not see nobody where do them private business. We're up on government road. Olympic way. One thing with the GLP, them, some GLP might burn me out and say, why I show this for? There's nothing bad to showing this. This is nice road. It need repair, but this way better than the gutter when I go up on the day before yesterday on the other street I go up on the same day. And a shorter street. These streets are longer. Olympic way really longer from go up Collie Smith and come round the roundabout. Still the Olympic way. I have to go over the stoplight, because over the stoplight, little bit of Patrick Roberts, go down the road of the stoplight, Patrick Roberts, little bit of Angella Burke around here, but a good road around this. So this video is to tell you people, no matter who you want to vote for, hold the people them responsible. Hold them responsible. Tell them, say, you want your curb wall to fix, sidewalk to paint up, you want the work, everything for the bushing, you want flowers plant up, you want the prettiness for your community. I no need to go no further. So make a turn back. The stoplight, cut the border, go down the road, go up the road, Patrick Roberts. Little bit of Andrew is right at the police station over the road. I could have shown you the police station because that's an achievement, and I leave it alone. As me say, is the same road this me just drive pan. There's no separate road. Same road this me just drive and turn is the same exact road. Me I show you over the other side. At the same road, you can see the whole entirely road. One to Jamaica. Let me say it again. Right. All right. So me care about the camera right now. We turn down in a Tower Hill. We turn down in a Tower Hill. If you don't know, so we not lie. Whole heap of zinc fence down there. You don't see them yet. Wait. You saw the road clean? You saw the road clean? You saw the road clean? Every road have patrol. I only tell me someone for a video and Holness Constituency. So I'm going to do it. I want thing with labor right, you know. You have some labor right to tell lie, and you have some labor right to tell the truth. But you say labor right, them love accountability. Them not ramp. Them love the proof. Labor right can boast for an achievement because we never have such achievement in this country. You know how much years. So we make a stop right now. We're going to move off right away because guess what? We know which part we are going. Round here, so, development, you see? You see? You see? How much zinc house in the past? All no. Tower Hill, watch here. Look on the complex over there. There's zinc on the side there. See there? But look on the side of development. See there? All of the people, them zinc place there, them get removed. I'm going to stay in one big hall and some of them stay them yard said we. Because Angella Burke, Angella, doctor. So we go again. Prime Minister, Dr. Angella Burke. This is achievement. This is achievement. That's why I'm asking the 14 MP them will win. Where the 5 votes them with the Labour Party say they're supposed to get. How many see the 5 votes them in the community? Look upon these people. No louver window. None of them board window. Something. They big up Shen 876. Shen, big up yourself. Look at now. Because we're not going to proper English on this, you know. Because we're well educated. We are going Creole, Jamaica, Creole. Watch this. People, when you come live over here, so remember, a whole heap now come live over here. Keep the place clean, people. Keep the place clean, people. Say if the government go on, I don't want the government to maintain it, said we. Tell them so I don't want paint every year. I don't want to wash down the place every year. Just keep it clean. Look at this achievement off of the same main road we have come off. Look at this. Then you think Labour right have no worries? Labour right have what to campaign on. Look at this. Mercy. Different block now. Watch, oh God. Watch ya. You can't jump over them step here. Nice slide window. And you have things to play for sit down inside of the park. Some people say, oh, the sun go burn and the sun go this. Watch it. Shade, watch it. Good luck. Good luck. Watch there. Good luck. Good step. Big up Shen 876. Big up Shen. Wait. Shen. Watch ya. Ghetto talk. Project. So I want to say not now go on for the people in the ghetto. I want to say not now go on for poor people. I don't know why can I say not now go on because when I leave here, so I go to Angella Burke. It big, you know, so I can go to one little piece. Round here, so Angella Burke's achievement. I West St. Andrew this. Also, let me stop the talking. You can sit there. This is for the people them will tell me someone must go on an Olympic. We are going to visit the road of Angella Burke. I just visited the road a while ago. I go up the road, I come back down the road. I never have to stay up on the road because of the same one road. But I turn off. You notice I never turn off in a jungle? I never turn off because you don't know as a people privacy. You don't want to turn off when a man and a carrot a girl and the next girl go see. You don't want to turn off when a girl hang up her drawers or you don't want to invade the people in privacy. See there? I'm reversing, I think I'm going back into the vehicle right now and I'm going to a wide view. See me? See they move the car? Look at it. It look nice. I ain't no fence up yet, you know. It only fence up for the dog, them and the goat, them and them thing, they don't run go over, they go make a mess and all them thing there. See there? Look at it. Achievement. See me zoom it out there now. Big achievement. Big achievement. Jamaica Labour Party, big up on yourself. The TikTokers them big up. You have big up Angel reaction. You have Miss Chin. Me call Lashika name already. Me never call Goody. Big up Goody. Them they are the dominant TikTokers them. Jamaica Labour Party. Recognize them people. They recognize them. Recognize them. Guru, a same name, Uru, 876, recognize them people, the classic 876, recognize them people, they recognize them, Dujan World, wanna recognize them people there. See it there? Me now come off of the road. See zinc fence over there, so when I come back around here, that gone. You understand me? Try and know it gone. We're going to go outside now, and we're going to count the zinc fence them. We're going to want you count the zinc fence them. We're going to want you count the... See there? When them gone? A lie, people them gone. I still Angella Holness Constituency this. Remember, me never drive come off of the main yesterday. Me stay up on the main. Today, I'm gone inside of the constituency. Road still want fix, half a fix, because know it go rain just don't fall. Rain just don't fall. Rainy season we in a down Olympic way. I'm going to show you which part of the people them go out on Black Road, because big up. R.I.P. to the youth. Kemar. Unfortunate situation. I don't know, but I can't blame the government, Angella Holness. I have to blame the police and their behavior towards civilian. See me? So big up everybody from Tower Hill. R.I.P. Kemar. R.I.P. to the family. We can see the people them love you. We can see you sadly miss. You understand me? But make us say if we can call and get through other than for burn the same road where we want to use the turf for and go through for do business. You understand me? There was an incident recently with a police ride down some youth within one of these community and turn off, and it's like them lick them off of the bike or something going on. But the youth RIP and the community shake up, dog. You see me? Me and my girl are called for Angella Holness, and she said Angella Holness to forward it. Andrew, if you can forward Andrew. Because the people in my watch say other shooting go on and other things go on and you're over there. When you're busy, you have to just do it up. You understand me? But we're back on Olympic way again. We drive on the road, you're ready. Remember the same road is if you go up the road and you come down the road, it won't fix. So people call out to the member of parliament, call out to the councillor, the road them won't fix. You understand me? At this with GLP, we're not going to hide our road. We're just still like the PNP. We're all right with road, We want the road to fix. You understand me? And we know the road are going to fix because we have reach and we have spark and a bag of town hall meeting. Right down here, so if you don't look good, I think there was, I probably passed it already. They tire them, it burn on the road. You can see the tire them, see there? See that through the road, the black and them burn tire of the road and burn out the road plus the rainwater. I'm not getting an excuse. The road for fix. So big up on yourself. Me have woman over jungle. If my woman ever hear this, she kill me. Me have woman on a Tower Hill. Me have woman on a Rima. Me have woman on a Trenchtown. Me have woman on a Maxfield. Me have woman on both in a PNP place. So I love everybody. But we need for all, we councillor, we need to all remember Parliament. Yes. Angella Holness is a minister. Mark Golin is a minister. Peter Phillips abandoned the people them. Yes, him gone. And I think Buju Banton daughter are into politics some more. Correct me if I'm wrong. Buju Banton daughter still in politics? Alright, this was the family, the Portia Simpson Square. Me think it renamed because to where broker them come do. No square no dead again. Yeah man, no square no dead again at all. So we're going to turn off in our PN land. As we say, we are not going to turn off none of privacy on nobody. Turn off them lane and cribs and corner because a whole heap of time me you say labor right I do this and I tune a gully and then me you say PNP I do this and I tune a gully. No for the youth them not them girls say a whole heap of big house or a whole heap of money. We're not worried about nobody house, we're worried about the road. Angella Burke. I could have video from way out of 2 mile out so. Angella Burke, the project. The same road and I said I forgot video when I broke out. Some pass on Angella Burke road. I don't see no development. The constituency forget 5 house. Jamaica Labour Party say everybody we are member of parliament forget 5 house. Where the 5 house them there? Why only not give the PNP them the house? Give the PNP them, me have woman with a PNP. Yes, me have woman with a PNP. Give them the house over there. Give them the house over there. You're supposed to get 5 houses. Give the people them. See me a drive Yeah, me not see no house a bill up for the people them. Only supposed to get 5 free house. It don't remember if you're PNP, it don't matter if you're PNP or GLP. Once a member of parliament is in the parliamentary office, everybody forget 5 house. On our apartment labor right win 49, and I get 5 house on the 49. Uno have 14 people. Why would you not look out for the people them over paying land? Why would you not look out for my woman them over paying land? Why would you not give them the house them? Why? I go over jungle, I not see no house again. You don't forget 5 hours. Yes. One of them ask for the 5 hours. What go happen? When you get the 5 hours, people are going to say, well, on a labor, right? And that's why when you get the house, people won't even cut out them leave it today. You don't forget 5 hours. Why Angella Burke now make gonna get the 5 hours? Why Marky G now make gonna get the 5 hours? Why Michael Phillips now make gonna get the 5 hours? Why, you know, sir, I tell a lie. People my excuse. Natalie, Nita Ellie, I think, get 2 or 3 of them house there. See that Angella Burke place we in the same way? Me not see no 5 house. I wanna complain and me I tell you. The 3 coming to them with me, go video right now, them 2 coming to the nasty that Andrew is coming to. I mean I compare. We are all human beings. You understand me? Jamaica for we. See there, zinc fence. Remember what zinc fence all about? See wallet too, development, but at a long time, 30 years structure with the youth them a live off and I make sure 2 ends meet and now depend upon politician. Give the people them the house. People, if you not listen this, ask them one to the 5 house what them supposed to get per MP. Michael Phillip, Dennis Daly. Me not have to call Natalie again. You understand me? And the rest don't know who. Who win member of parliament. Give the people them the house them. Stop fight politics with the house them. People may have more video. Go over it. Subscribe here. And click the link in the bio. And you can watch one it more video. Big up all of the TikTokers them. I calling the name already. Big up.